Date was 1883. Ada Lovelace and Charles Babbage wrote the first ever programming language. But what was it called? Well, Algorithm for the Analytical Engine, which was called, was a programming language designed specifically for the general purpose analytical engine. But this was only the beginning. We moved to 1949. Kathleen Booth, a British computer scientist, is given credit to many to be the one to write the first assembly language, an imperative language meant to simplify machine code. This was a significant step in the direction of modern-day computer science, but we still have a few more points to stop by first. The first compiled programming language, at the time called Autocode, was developed by a computer scientist, Alec Glennie, in 1965. We move into a more significant milestone in computer science history. Created in 1957, many remember FORTRAN, a language used for financial and mathematical use cases. It was invented by John Backus, an American computer scientist. The language was so popular due to it being a natural language programming language. This means that learning it made sense to most. FORTRAN, as a result of it becoming so popular, began the computer science industry we know today. Moving ahead 5 years, we start to see an uprise of languages being developed. BASIC, which was used for help in technology and math, for those who didn't know it as well. Pascal, which was developed in 1970, was easy to learn and used by Apple for a long time in their beginnings. C, which was very intuitive to learn at the time, was one of the first programming languages, and which branched off into C# and C++ later on. SQL, which was used to work with databases and still is used largely to this day. In the last 20 years, we've been lucky enough to get languages such as Java, Swift, Ruby, PHP, and many, many more. I hope you've learned a thing or two in today's video about the past of programming languages and computer science, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.